This is the JACKERY Explorer 290 portable power station that I just picked up from Harbor Freight.
First impressions, it's a cute little guy. Right out of the box, it comes with a 120 volt home charger, your 12 volt car charger, of course the owner's manual, and you get a sweet little case for all your cables.
It's a pretty lightweight unit, it only weighs about 7 pounds. Now the question I'm sure everybody has is, what can this thing actually do? It's a good question. And I'll tell you, just like the size of this thing, you gotta think small. See, if you're gonna be doing stuff like charging up your iPad or running a small light, this thing's awesome. This is great if you wanna run a shop light, or if you want to crank some tunes. It does well handling smaller power tools like a multi-tool or a corded drill. This will also run your TV in case, you have something important to watch. Is your fuel cap. See, fuel caps have a vent built in. But it can't handle tools that draw a higher amperage like an air compressor pump. One cool feature this does have is it'll automatically shut off power to the tool if it senses too much of a draw. I'll show you. See, I got about 10 seconds of runtime on this compressor before this cut off power to the tool. Basically, this thing is just a big battery bank. It's meant for recharging things. So if you're working somewhere that doesn't have power and you have to charge up your batteries for your tools, this could be a useful power station.
Now we'll go over some of the features of this guy. Of course, you have your power input here. You have 2 USB ports, you got your 110 plug right here, and you got your 12 volt plug right here. You have an LCD display right there that shows you how much percentage you have left, and it also shows you your draw and how much power is coming into the unit. So one interesting thing to note here, you have buttons next to all 3 of your power points. You actually have to push that button to send power to those spots. So you hit this button, power goes to the USB, then you push it off, power to the 110, or power to 12 volt.
One important thing to note here, if you push the button to send power to one of those areas, you have to manually shut it off. It will not automatically shut off. So if you turn power to all 3 spots there and leave it on, you could drain your battery. Another important thing to note here, you can charge this while you're using it. I plan on using this for camping, and I just bought a brand new solar kit, so I plan on solar charging this and using it at the same time. I think that's a pretty cool feature. Well, that's my unboxing and initial review of the JACKERY Explorer 290 power station from Harbor Freight. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, but as always, thank you guys for watching.